Now I'm going to show you how we go about creating this template. But first, I just want you to know that the technology we have created with Lead Monster, nothing else compares to it. Matter of fact, the few SaaS services that can even come close to Lead Monster charge as much as $6,000 a month. And we're going to justify all that on the sales page. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Lead Monster. You see that we have a nice SaaS interface. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. It's going to take me right to the dashboard. You guys already know the deal, right? Simple little tabs, dashboard, create campaign. It's going to track our subscribers. We've got statistics. We've got split testing, quick start guide, frequently asked questions. Everything that you're seeing right now is the front end. Now, we've also got actions here on the dashboard. So we can edit the campaign. We can integrate it with GoToWebinar. We can clone the campaign. This here is really unique, and your subscribers are definitely going to love this. If I click this here, what we can do is we can put in a Facebook post title, a description, and then we can go ahead and set our image so that we have a link to share on Facebook that does not resort to the default image that Facebook provides. So you can do that with each one of your campaigns. And then if they choose to, some people requested that they have retargeting pixels inside the actual Lightbox and campaign. So we have it to where they can put Facebook, perfect audience, or ad roll. And then here is where they're going to go and generate the script. And I'll show you that because that's where the exit technology kicks in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click Create Campaign. Pretty self-explanatory. It's laid out very nice. So I'll just go ahead and say Chad Test. I name my campaign, and here's our landing pages. So you see that we've got these beautiful 3.0 designs. So I can come over here to opt-in forms, and we've got all of these opt-in forms here. Okay, very easy. Video. So we've got these video templates. We've got webinar registrations, which is my absolute favorite. I know it's something that you guys are going to love. We've got the yes and no commitments that we see all over the internet. And then we've got these small little pop-ups as well. And you see that there's 10 of them here, or they can simply create a custom template. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the webinar one that I showed you on my page. I'm just going to click proceed. And guys, this is so very easy. There's really nothing to demonstrate. I mean, we have the point and click. You can come over here. You can change out the element. You click this here. We have different elements for the headlines, different images. You can change out the buttons. Everything that you've seen in the page builders, we have done that with Lead Monster, but we have it in a light box form. So we can very easily change out this headline. We can come over here. We can edit this image here. We've got a library of images for them. They can go ahead and upload their image. We have these countdown timers. They can come over here. They can click edit. They can set their time zone, the background color, the text color. We have a message that appears if the offer is not available, right? Cool stuff. All very self-explanatory. But look at this. What if you had that light box that you saw here, and when you click this button, you had a two-step opt-in? Well, here, you can very easily come over here and set your two-step opt-in settings. You just come over here, you click Enable Two-Step Opt-in. Here's the redirect URL, and you go ahead and save it. But if I want to come over here and customize this button, well, we can make it as complicated or as easy as we possibly can. So we have button images that they can just go ahead and type in the text that they want. They can choose light. They can choose dark. Very easy to do, right? Then they can choose a different color. That's very simple. We have library images of all these buttons here. Or they can use a custom CSS button where they can set their button text, the font family, the font size, the text color, the line height, the border, the background. We can even make the button be animated with our animation. We can make it go pop. We can make it go sync, whatever we want to do with the button. And then we just simply insert the button, or they can even go and upload their own image for the button. So the element builder is pretty cool and it's very easy to use. So then we can come up here and we can click this background setting. So I can go ahead and upload my own background. I've got library images that I can just very easily go and pull those in. I've got gradient background colors. So if I want the top to be red and I want the bottom to be black, see how it just changed to here? We can also change this color right here, or we can just go with a solid background color just like that. So I go ahead and click apply, and now I went and changed the background color if I choose to do so. Once we do that, we're going to just go ahead and click save, and now it's time to actually go and publish our Lightbox. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click publish. Now that it's published, I can click this button that says generate script. Check this out, guys. This is where the magic happens. Here's our exit intent. So we have exit pop-up, inbounce, on load, on mouse over, on click, or scroll to. We can go ahead and set the width and height. So you've been to those sites where you got those big old pop-ups. Well, you can go ahead and do that. You set the width and the height. We can even make it to where the whole entire pop-up is animated. So there's that swing motion you saw. Or we can make it flash. Or we can make it bounce in from the left, bounce in from the right. We simply take this code here, we paste it in any site. If you're dealing with WordPress, we've actually provided your subscribers a plugin so they can very easily just go and integrate with WordPress with the plugin. It even works with Optimized Press, the page builders. Everything is here that just makes this an absolute winner. This will be the last solution ever for Exit Pop technology, because this here is my baby, and I plan on taking great care of this and adding so many amazing benefits, features, and templates as the months go on, okay? So you can also come over here, you can look at the statistics. Okay, here's the statistics. We can look at the number of subscribers that come in. We've got split test campaigns. There's really nothing that has been left out. It's awesome. That is the front end of Lead Monster.